Hello, welcome to the channel. Today's lesson will be divided in 4 sections. Section 1, Listening In. Please carefully listen to the conversation. I suggest using headphones for clearer audio. Section 2, Phrasal Verbs. If you want to understand the meaning of phrasal verbs, I have a video that goes through that. I'll leave the link in the description. Section 3, Rhythm. Section 4, Shadowing or Role-Playing. James and Mary are discussing their career plans and what they will do after graduating.
So what do you think you'll do after school?
I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll go into the army.
What? Do you want to go to war?
Don't be silly. The army isn't just about wars. There are research and development areas, monitoring departments, national security, and more. I could be put into a terrorist investigation division, but I won't rush into a decision like that.
If I come into some money, I'll go to university and get a degree. Then maybe I'll be able to move into the career I want. At the moment, though, I'll probably have to do some part-time work.
I'm not sure about uni. I'll let you into a secret. Half the courses are easy because international students are paying and want good results.
Yeah, I know about that. If I get into a university, it won't be a degree mill. It'll be a proper one, like the University of Michigan. I've got the marks. I just don't have the money.
I'd like to earn money. If I could break into the music industry, maybe sell a few downloads.
Hey, I bumped into Matthew yesterday. He said he planned to start up a band. Maybe you could ask him if they need a musician or a singer.
If I run into him, I'll ask him about his band, but I was thinking of being an agent. Not as much stress that way.
Yeah, the life of a roadie or agent, checking into motels across the country, meeting fans, enjoying all kinds of music. All you need to do is negotiate with the pubs, deal with the accounting side of running the band, and make sure everyone performs and gets home safely, then party.
Unless I'm an agent for one of those singers that cause people to burst into tears when they hear the music. No fun there, but lots of money from tweens.
Yeah, I don't like tuning into that kind of music. It would make me burst out crying, but for a completely different reason. Pain.
Or maybe I could be a travel agent. I could start off as a tour guide and help people explore the country. If I'm lucky, I could start with a good position and just grow into it.
I see. So you haven't really thought about what you want to do at all, have you?
Or maybe I could run a games cafe, or...
Go into. This means starting or joining a particular profession or organization. Another synonym word to use is join, or become part of something.
Example, I will go into the army or I will join the army.
Put someone or something into is used to describe involving someone or something inside or adding him or it to an activity or situation. If you know the meaning of the word assign, then you're able to understand put someone or something into.
Example. He was put into or assigned to a computer science division.
Rush into. This means to do something quickly without thinking carefully about it first.
Example, he rushed into buying a car without checking the price.
This means to meet someone by chance or unexpectedly. For example, as you are walking down the road, you unexpectedly bump into someone's shoulders that you know, and then you start talking.
Example, I bumped into my teacher at the store.
Start up. This means to create or begin something new.
Example. He said he planned to start up a band.
Deal with. This means to handle or manage a situation or problem.
Example, I will deal with my homework after dinner.
Burst into. This means to suddenly start doing something, often with a lot of energy or emotion.
Example. They burst into laughter after hearing the joke.
This phrasal verb is also used to express crying.
Example. She bursts into tears after breaking her toy.
Let into. This means to allow someone to know or share something private.
Example. She let me into her plan for a surprise party.
Grow. Grow into. This means to slowly or gradually learn to do a job or deal with a situation successfully.
Example, she hopes to grow into a great musician with more practice.
Tween is a noun, short for teenager, and a combination of the two words teen and between. It refers to a child between the age of 9 and 12. UOFM is an acronym for the University of Michigan. A degree mill is a false institution that sells degrees, diplomas, or certifications without requiring students to meet legal academic standards. If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't hesitate to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Rhythm. In the English language is stress-timed. Speakers change between stressed and unstressed syllables. Stressed syllables create a loud, long, and impactful sound. Today, we will explore some examples. Think of the long and stressed syllables as one long footstep, while the unstressed ones as multinormal ones. Also, keep in mind that the capital letters indicate the stressed syllables. Research. Research. Development. Development. Investigation. Investigation. Moment. Moment. Secret. Secret. International. International. For the sake of time, I can't go through every word, but I hope you've got the gist. Now it's time you play the role of James, pay attention to Mary's conversation, and try to engage with her.
I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll go into the army. Don't be silly. The army isn't just about wars. There are research and development areas, monitoring departments, national security, and more. I'm not sure about uni. I'll let you into a secret. Half the courses are easy because international students are paying and want good results.